Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a Google Chrome extension which allows you to enable all the extensions with a single click. So if you have a numerous number of Google Chrome extensions installed, so this extension manager manages all the extensions and gives you some options that you can actually disable or enable extensions with a single click. So if you do want to disable all the Google Chrome extensions, you can do this once you install this. As you see, let me just so this is your extension. The icon appears something like this. So you just click on this extension and this shows you all the extensions which are installed. So you can even actually select a individual extension. So as you click on that, that extension will be disabled. You again can click on that to enable this once again. This is a really useful extension. If you don't need this, you click on that and that extension will be disabled. You can do this multiple times for multiple extensions. You can see that. So again, you can re-enable them by simply clicking on that like this. So once you hover on the extension, it shows you the name, uninstall, home page, each and every option. If you do want to uninstall this, you click the uninstall button. You can even search for a specific extension like this Ezoic. As you see, the extension will filter out. So it really saves you a lot of time, because if you have thousands of extensions installed, so it becomes very difficult to search for a specific extension. With this help extension manager, you can see all the extensions which are installed, and you click on that, that extension will be disabled. Need to re-enable this, again click on that, that will be re-enable once again. So uninstall options, it also can open options related to that extension. You click on that and this opens. So I think it's a perfect extension to have if you do have a lot of extensions. So definitely you can even lock this extension as well. You have also lock option. You can visit the home page of that extension as well. So it also shows you the name of the extension. So definitely check this out.